Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I created this cute little fuzzy covered notebook. It's really pretty simple and the result is adorable. So here we go. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do to start this is I got this at the dollar store. These are just some like fuzzy stickers. And then this I actually had at home, but I'm sure you could also find this at the dollar store along with any other notebook you would like to use instead. So this is going to be pretty simple. All we're going to do is we're going to take out one of these sticker sheets like this, and then I'm going to flip it over, and on the back I'm going to line up how much I'm going to cover, and then I'm just going to trace it. And then after that, I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it out. Now it will make a little bit of a mess because you're cutting like some of these fuzzy bits, so just be warned that there will be some fuzzies all over the place for the next like week or so. Alright, and then once it's all cut out, you'll be able to basically just line it up here and, you know, just see how well you did lining it up. If there's any extra, we can cut that off later. So right now, I'm going to move on to the next step. And I'm sorry, my air conditioner just went on. Whoopsies. So after that, I'm just going to take the back off, or at least I'm going to try anyway. There we go. Just going to take the back off, and then I'm just going to lay it right on here, making sure it lays flat, just like that. And then as you can see, there is a little bit extra, so all you can do is is just cut that right off. And then there you go. You have a nice fuzzy notebook. Now you can do this to the back. I'm not going to, but you can just do the same steps to the back. Just follow the exact same steps, and you'll have a nice fuzzy back for your notebook. And you can, they do come in like these somewhat bigger sheets, like, you know, like this big. So you can potentially have a notebook around this size. If you wanted to make it bigger, you could probably just take them and line them up together and then just do it that way. You know, try and figure out, you know, which way would match the best. And, you know, it doesn't have to be exact, but you could do that as well if you wanted to make it bigger. But that is pretty much it. I think it looks really cute and it's really fun. So that is how I created the fuzzy notebook. Again, pretty simple, and it's very cute. Now, you could also possibly glue this down as you're putting it, although this sticks pretty well to the cardboard that this is made out of. But, you know, if you want like to make sure it's really secure, you can glue it down. Another thing you could do is, like I said, is do it to the back. I'm not going to do that, but you very well could. Same steps apply. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!